Now in the chapter of basic algebra and manipulation, let's take a look at checkpoint 4.2 part A. Okay, this is a little bit related to evaluation, in other words, a little bit towards substitution. So what do you do? For part A, you'll put 4, -2 plus 5, 7. Okay, so once you actually calculate this, you would actually have a -8 plus 35, which would give you 27. Okay, then for part B, you will have 2a squared. So now, remember, if let's say you have a a square in this case, you have to put a bracket. Okay, so let me just highlight this. Alright, please take note that you must have your bracket. Okay, because without your bracket, your numbers will completely be different. So therefore, your answer would be an 8. Okay, so now what is a common mistake students will make for this kind of questions? You will write 2, -2, okay, like that, square. Okay, so this is wrong, because what happens is that your answer will be 2 multiplied by a -4, which will give you a -8, which is wrong. So please remember to put your negative inside the bracket, such that it will square and give you a positive number. Okay, now then let's take a look at part C. C, you have whole thing, so you have the big bracket, you have 2, put in your -2, and then close the entire bracket to put a square here. Okay, so then in this case, you have 2 multiplied by this, your square multiplied by the 2, your square multiplied by the -2, which will eventually give you a 16. Okay, then let's take a look at part D. Same thing for part D, you would have a -2, alright, 7 minus away a -2. Now this is a common mistake students always make. Okay, please remember that there is still a minus here. So this minus has to be a correlation. Okay, it doesn't change. All you need to do is to just substitute your a as -2. Okay, so eventually you will have your answer as -18. Then for part E, alright, you would have a 7 minus again, so same thing, put the negative inside the bracket. Okay, you would have 3 as your answer. And then for part F, alright, you have 7 minus away -2 whole thing square. Okay, please be very mindful where you put your brackets, because this is the crucial part. Keep your brackets as it is. All you need to do is to just do your substitution. So once done, your answer will be 81. Okay.